Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video I am gonna talk about top 5 wood glue for furniture. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Elmer's E7010 Carpenter's Wood Glue. For hassle-free works and easy application, Elmer's E7010 wood glue is the best. The main purpose of this wood glue is completing different woodworks and repairing furniture. It comes in an 8-ounce bottle. With one bottle of glue, you can stay worried-free for a long time. It makes a bond stronger than wood and makes the object durable. It is safe wood glue and doesn't contain any harmful ingredients. It dries faster after applying for better performance. The best thing is, it doesn't make any mess. You can simply clean the glue with water. Besides woodworks or carpentry works, it is also good for different paper craft and small wooden crafts. For professional carpenters, this wood glue will be a blessing. It is easy to apply and the thickness level is perfect for both small woodworks and professional carpentry works. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Titebond Franklin International 5005-2 Premium Wood Glue. If you are a professional carpenter or you do a papercraft on a regular basis, should order this wood glue. This is a larger size wood glue where you get 1 gallon of glue. The main purpose of this wood glue is external usages. However, you can also apply it for interior usages. Its heavy-duty glue is suitable for any wood repair works. Also, when you are making something from scratch and need lots of glue, this is the product you need. There are no toxic materials in it. It is safe and doesn't require much glue for repairing works. Its water resistance feature is helpful for outdoor furniture. For example, you can apply it for a picnic table or a garden chair. Though the main purpose is to use for wood objects, it also works perfectly for paper crafts. This larger size wood glue is best for professional woodworks. It is an ideal glue that is applicable to both paper works and woodworks. At number 3, we have the Titebond 2 Premium Water-Resistant Wood Glue. You will find tons of wood glues in the market, but only a few of them are water-resistant. In some of your works, the object may get the touch to water. Without a water-resistant glue, it is not possible to keep the object stable. To overcome this issue, Titebond 2 Premium comes with the water-resistant feature. It is the best wood glue which is applicable for exterior use. The glue-containing tube makes it easier to apply in different areas. You can apply this glue for a wide range of wood objects. No matter if you have some broken furniture like stool, frame, chair, etc. at your home. It will bring life to those things just like magic. All you have to do is, apply the glue, and keep the furniture standby for at least 24 hours. After that, you will get your furniture in a condition like it never has broken. Titebond 2 is a great option to repair furniture at home. Once the repair work is done properly, it will be stable for years. At number 2, we have the Aleen's 15623 Wood Glue 4 ounces. Aleen's 15623 wood glue is one of the best wood glues which is suitable for a variety of works. The glue is super strong and if applied properly, the bond remains stable for years. From paper craft to woodcraft, everything is achievable with it. If you have a hobby of doing different innovative works at home, this glue will be the best choice for you. This is a multitasking glue. That means you can apply the same glue for most of your works. Do you have some broken furniture at home? Simply apply this glue and join 2 parts. Keep the furniture standby for 24 hours and you will be surprised. It is also good at general repairing. This is the best solution for the home. If you have some broken furniture and you don't want to throw them out, simply get this glue and repair them. And finally, at number 1, we have the HELMAR CHPG 125 HELMAR Craft and Hobby PVA Glue. If you are looking for wood glue which is fit for a wide range of works, this HELMAR CHPG 125 HELMAR is one of the best options. This is a PVA glue which you can apply without any hassle. It is ideal for most of the DIY works including paper craft, school projects, wood projects, and more. People with hobbies of doing experiments with wood and paper should use this heavy-duty glue. It is a water-based glue which dries faster. The flue tube helps you to reach thin areas. Also, you can comfortably clean it after usages. Once you attach something with this glue, it will be stable and durable. It is latex-free glue for safety. HELMAR is suitable for anyone who wants to do different works with paper and wood. For everyday purposes, this wood glue is the best. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.